Living here, I quickly realized that every local chef thinks they make the best traditional Roman carbonara. But Sarah's carbonara spaghettini is the real deal.
Poi mettiamo il pecorino.
No Parmigiano.
No parmigiano.
Okay. So you just make the mixture of the egg yolks and,
Yes.
and
I
the
just
cheese.
have to see how's
Color
the
and texture.
Okay.
A lot of cooking in Italy happens by look and feel rather than measurements. Sarah knows when the consistency is just right. And then it's into the kitchen for the key ingredient.
Per fare il guanciale croccante utilizziamo la padella di ferro.
Americans tend to use bacon or pancetta to make carbonara, but in Italy we use guanciale, which is just a cured pork cheek. It has a much more intense flavor.
È la pasta più venduta nel mio ristorante.
This is the dish that she served more than anything else in the
It's the
restaurant.
most popular.
Okay.
Bravo, Mr. Flay.
I got lucky.
You want to hold on to a little bit of the extra rendered fat because you're going to coat the pasta right at the end after it's done. So all these little tricks is what makes carbonara so special.
Grazie. Ok, poi?
So you're cooking the eggs like that for the texture of
Yes,
the
for the
eggs.
texture.
Okay.
It's good for the eggs and good for the pecorino. Wow, bravissima!
Brava, Giada!
And the pasta is al dente.
Oh, yeah.
Ok.
Got a nice bite to it.
It's a thicker spaghetti than what I'm used to.
Spaghettone
Yeah. It's between spaghetti and
and bucatini.
Allora, abbiamo messo poca acqua.
A little bit of pasta water with the rendered fat. Toss the spaghettone in it.
And the pasta water really gives you a better chance of not curdling it.
Yes, thins it out.
Ok, so we are ready.
All right, so some of the guanciale went in. Now,
Yes?
Finally, in goes that silky egg sauce.
finito?
Sì.
Okay.
Ok, here we are. This is the perfect texture for
Look
carbonara.
how velvety that is. It's silky.
Gorgeous. Classic carbonara. Pecorino.
Guanciale croccante. And then pepe,
And pepe.
of course.
It's beautiful. This is the way we eat in the kitchen, up against the refrigerator.
Thick and
Yeah.
creamy and silky.
The guanciale really makes a huge difference. So much flavor. That's what's so great.